All right, the tag team, Zilla and Pipes, are at a service call. They got no heat. Let's see what's going on. This one's gonna be fun because the client is entertaining. Yeah, she definitely is. We like her. She likes Botox too.
Well, hello. Good morning. It's me, Mikey Pipes.
Are you not on the ski trip?
No, I decided not to go skiing.
Why?
I'm just too busy. And plus, this came back from Florida.
I don't blame you. Grandpa wants to go to colder weather.
No, I like going skiing like a couple times a year, but not this year. So what's going on?
I don't know. It's not working and we're not happy. Fix it. Thank you. Can I get anyone coffee?
Let's see. She's cold. She's flashing. What is she flashing? She's flashing. I can't even see what she's flashing.
Can I freak you out like you used to all the garbage? No? No.
She's flashing flame. Why is she flashing flame? Let's check the obvious things first.
Am I on YouTube before I speak?
No. Not yet.
I'm talking.
You can talk. So this is the spill switch. We're gonna see if this does. On very windy days, sometimes this will trip out. So let's. No, not that.
So it wasn't what I thought that.
No. All right, let's turn the power off and see what's going on with this thing.
Yeah, let me move all this.
Yeah, you have like a clusterfuck of clothes here.
Yeah.
What's going on?
All I do is fucking laundry, Mike. I think you know that.
We just put this one in. All right. I assume you have hot water and you have gas, right?
I think so. How the hell would I know? Yeah, I have hot water.
Let's just see what happens. No, we don't have any gas. There's no gas pressure.
Why?
Good question. I have a little tiny pilot flame there. Let's just see if we have a pilot on the water heater. Let's see. Nope. No pilot on the water heater either.
So it's a gas issue.
Yeah, you got a gas problem, Mama.
What do I do about that?
You gotta call National Grid.
Okay.
Let's just check your stove real quick. Okay. Let's go see the stove.
I'll do it.
You have a gas dryer?
I have no fucking clue.
Yeah, she's got a gas dryer.
Air dryer.
You got an air dryer.
What's that?
use your hands and wave. Let's go see if we have.
Yeah, it worked.
Hold on.
Oh, no, it went off.
Nope.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you a stupid question.
We pay the bill.
You sure?
Always.
Yeah.
It's automatic, our bill. We don't even have to pay it.
We should go check anyway.
I'm gonna go.
Oh look, I'm filthy.
They got a pipe doctor mask.
Oh look.
I wear it everywhere.
Wow. Wow. Okay, let's go find the gas meter. Where's the gas meter? Outside? Let's open the garage door, Steven. Let's double check. There's a button right there. Let's go make sure the gas meter's not locked. That'd be funny. I think it's in the back. Let's see. Is it right here? Yep. There she is. And she's open. She's open. Gotta call National Grid.
Yeah, we don't have gas. There's, I don't know. I'm gonna call National Grid.
Gotta call National Grid.
All right, thanks, Mike.
You're welcome. No problem, but leave the boiler on and leave both thermostats on because it's below freezing outside, and water that's moving around, because it's still trying to circulate, is less likely to freeze.
Fuck! Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Can we get a little more entertainment here? You're cold.
Yeah.
Your wife is cold. You better get the heat fixed.
Yeah.
Unlike the AC's fixed.
It's
Your
the
wife is hot.
opposite of your.
Your wife is hot. Better get the AC fixed. How about if
No,
you're
it's
hot?
your wife is cold. Pipe doctor will warm her up.
That's
That's
for,
it.
oh, they warm you
See?
up.
I work in
Oh.
Love you guys. Bye.
Love you too. Be well.
All right, now.
Well, that was a nice, easy one. She was an easy one.
In and out.
In and out. You know, I get to give her a little bit of heat. Tell her to get like an electric heater or get a heating blanket. I'm willing to bet, though, that gas meter is probably frozen. That's probably what the deal is with that, because there's no pressure whatsoever there. And she paid the gas bill. It was locked. That would have been funny, though. I did a job once. I converted him from oil to gas. And something got messed up with National Grid because he didn't get a bill for like a year and a half. Right? And this one day, they shut him off. And he didn't know. Right? And I go over there. And, you know, because he had no heat or hot water.
Yeah.
And I'm like, man, this is weird. And I was like, so I go outside. Sure enough, the meter's locked.
Moral of the story, pay your bill.
Exactly. But he didn't get a bill.
That's great. So he had it gas for free for a year?
Yeah, year and a half.
Shit.
Yeah. It was very weird with this one. So, not around the corner from my house, and he has a pool in the backyard, and he had a meter for the pool and a gas line, underground gas line, and he had an oil-fired boiler and an oil-fired water heater, right? And 3 other plumbers came out there, and they're like, yes, this is going to be too complicated because you already have an existing meter here, even though it's turned off, blah, 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 blah. And, you know, they just didn't want to bother. So he actually called National Grid, and they said, listen, you had an abandoned line there before. You have to pay for the new line, right? So I went over there. Like, hey, he was around the corner from me, so I figured, you know what? If I can't help a neighbor, then I shouldn't even get out of bed in the morning. So I go over there, and he's telling me, listen, about 20 years ago, he stopped using his pool heater, his gas pool heater, and his pool company just turned off the gas to it, you know, at the pool heater. And he called National Grid, and they stopped billing him. Turns out they never turned off the service. So I cracked the union by the pool heater, and sure enough, there's gas. I'm like, yo, you realize you could have been having gas for free for 20 years? And he goes, oh my God, really? Like, you know how many times I wish I had that thing on? I was like, well, this is going to be easy. All you have to do is restore service to the account, and you're good to go. And that's what happened. But they never started billing him again, and they locked him because they realized it was on.
But he didn't have to back pay that?
No?
Oh, fucking clutch.
Yeah, lucked out.
Really?
All right, we're on our way to a rooftop unit now. It's 27 degrees. It's sunny out, and we'll get some footage. You know, we'll set up the ladder. We'll tie it down. It's a little bit windy. We don't want the ladder to fall off the roof. And
You have to put it at the right angle.
you gotta put it at the right angle.
Yeah, I caught shit for that.
Yep. And make sure your boots are tied.
Yeah. Motherfuckers.
Yeah, and as long as your boots are dry, you're good to go.
No
Boots tied, boots dry.
No
No
hugs.
hugs. All right, stay tuned. All right, up on this roof. Watch yourself. You good? Yeah. Okay. Tie it down the ladder. It's windy. These units aren't working. This one is good. She's blowing. A little icy up here. Gotta be careful. This one is blowing nothing. Well, she's blowing something. She's blowing cold air. Alright. Blowing cold air. On the producer motor. Alright. Let's get the drill with the 5/16. It's this one. Let's see what the circuit board is saying on this. Woo, it's cold. She's cold. I'm gonna have to give her the old smackaroo. Smack her. We're gonna get you some new pants. You know that? I'm gonna get you some new pants. Because you need a belt.
I tried it. I'm losing weight.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you some. You gotta tell me your The waist and inseam. We're gonna get you some new. Gotta get you some new thingies, new pants. That's the least that Mikey Pipes could do for you.
38 by 32.
38 by 32. All right, let's just see what this bad boy does. Behind this compartment right here. She don't want to go. She don't want to go.
Shit, Lee.
Gotta encourage her a little bit. She still ain't going.
Flat? I got it.
Okay. We have to give her a little encouragement here. Sometimes you gotta give her all about the leverage.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, let's see what this thing says over here. She's flashing. I never saw two codes before like that. Well, guess what? There is no 18 flashes. But 9 is ignition control lockout, ignition control failure, limit trip. See that? All right. Now we're going to go to that compartment. All right, let's take a look over here, see what we got going on. We definitely have some discoloration around those diodes. That's a sign the board is on its way out. So we're going to suggest this be replaced. Let's take a quick count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 6 is high temperature switch open. I don't think that's it, but let's see. Yes, it is. What was that? That bad boy right back there. Normal operation now. Let's wait for it to fire up. We have ignition! Houston! We have ignition! Houston! This York is taking off to the moon in a Mikey Pipes rocket as we go to 100,000 subscribers!
100 fucking thousand.
That's right. That's right. Mikey Pipes. All right. Now the question is, why did the high temperature limit go out? Right? I bet you we have, based on all that, I bet you we have a bad heat exchanger. I really do. So, let's check. We can visually check if this wasn't there. Jesus Christ. Oh. All right. If we take off the top cover, we can visually inspect. By the way, you need some railings here. This is not safe. Look at this. If we take off the top cover, visually inspect the heat exchanger inside there and see if there's any cracks to it. So let's do that. I'm also going to check the filters. Let's check the filters. This is scary. Jesus Christ. Filters. Steve, let me get the drill and just pop this thing off. All right, the filters were clean. I'm going to take off the top cover and check out the heat exchanger.
All right, gonna do a visual inspection on the heat exchanger. I don't see anything visible. I'm not getting my phone in there, but I could see all the tubes down there, but I don't see anything visible on this side of it, upper side, so we'll get the inspection camera in there and take a peek, but I think we're good. The Milwaukee M12 inspection camera, by the way. All right, if we see anything, we'll keep you posted.